In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Gmail account permanently, step by step, using your Google account settings. Before you go ahead, just remember this is permanent, so make sure you've backed up anything important like emails, contacts, files, or account recovery information. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This is the official Google account page where you manage your account, privacy, security, and deletion settings. Once the page loads, sign into the Google account that contains the Gmail address you want to delete. After you're signed in, look for Data and Privacy in the left-hand menu or Account Settings section and click it. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Google keeps the account deletion option near the bottom, so take your time and look carefully. When you find it, click Delete your Google account. If you don't see it right away, keep scrolling until you reach the more advanced options. In some accounts, you may need to open myaccount.google.com again. Sign in once more, click Data and Privacy, then scroll to more options and select Delete your Google account from there. Google may ask you to sign in again for security reasons, so if that happens, just enter your password and continue. Next, you'll see an important warning screen. Read it carefully because Google explains exactly what will happen when you delete the account. This usually includes losing access to Gmail, Google Drive files, Google Photos, YouTube activity tied to that account, and anything else connected to it. Make sure you review every warning before proceeding. You'll also need to check the required boxes to confirm that you understand the consequences of deleting the account. These boxes are important because Google wants to make sure you're intentionally choosing to remove the account permanently. Once you've read everything and checked the required boxes, click Delete Account. After that, Google will begin the deletion process. Depending on your settings and account status, the account may be scheduled for removal immediately or after a short confirmation process. And that's it. Your Gmail account deletion request has been submitted successfully. If you were following along to permanently remove your Gmail account, I hope this guide made the process simple and clear. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.